we're gonna cut this roof off. What happened? We're gonna scab them into the Jamarodi and start the body work to get it ready for final paint. To get this thing finished. We made it to 256 Garage. It wasn't too bad, was it?
No.
No, so what are we doing, Jay?
All right, well, we got the top off of our white truck. Drake has informed me that I need to cut these off a little shorter, and then we're gonna start working on drilling out rivets and taking the top skin off.
To be honest, there's a reason why we don't do this crap. It is tedious, monotonous, and most of all, boringest.
And there you have it.
Honestly though, Jason, what is your initial experience? What are you saying about all of this?
This
It's horrible?
is horrible. That's probably
We have
better.
a whole new respect for body guys.
It was crazy, bro. Like, come on. Can we get enough spot welds in this thing or what?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
26, give or take.
26.
Rolled good, pretty good. What up?
All right.
All right, everybody, we are back here at 256 Garage. Ryan.
In Geraldine, Alabama.
Yeah,
where
we're
your cousin lives down the street and your mom's your uncle.
We've been here a few times in the last month,
Yeah,
right?
we're here all the time. These guys are awesome.
Well, tell everybody what we've done.
We got the body filler laid on it. The hood's ready. The goal for today, Dictator Drake requested that we at least get the front end primer today. That's the goal. And if we don't, we'll get 30 lashes each. This is the same all the way up.
Yeah.
Now it's color sand and buff. I've cut it with 1000. I'm fixing to come back with 2,500, and then I'll start to buff. Magic. It never ceases to amaze me.
All right, here we are with the Jamarodi, Ryan.
Drake Weaver.
Did you cry a little bit when you saw it?
Yeah, I cried. I slipped and fell. I dropped my towel on her head. I did everything you're not supposed to. Meanwhile, Drake Weaver, the painter, Drake Weaver, he's the guy, Drake Weaver. He painted it, 256 garage.
Drake Weaver didn't do a thing to that truck.
He didn't.
I believe it was all Drake Weaver. More like Jason and Ryan didn't do a thing to that truck.
No, we did a lot to it. And then Drake came behind us and fixed it all.
Yeah.
But man,
look at this door. This is the door, the roof skin.
Yeah.
This, I mean, just look at it, guys. I mean,
it looks pretty awesome.
the color doesn't do it justice in the building like this.
Wow. Ryan, what's the plan for today? What are we doing?
I think we'll try to get it as much back together as safely so we can load her up on the truck, because Jamarodi's coming home to the Vulture Den, boys.
Awesome.
All right, guys, this truck looks absolutely amazing thanks to the guys 256 Garage.
I wouldn't go absolutely amazing.
I would say absolutely amazing. Special thanks to this guy too, Jason. Better than amazing? Great. Thank you guys a ton.
And Alan Weaver, you're not here right now. We appreciate you. And on that note, we'll see you next time. Generation!
Our Atlanta brain.
That's what it is. It's a chop.